Hi, I'm Homework with Subtechnical and SealGuard. We're going to show you how you can take any electric airless paint sprayer and convert it over to do polyurethane injection. This is an electric airless paint sprayer. First thing you need to do is remove the screen that should be in any electric airless paint sprayer. This is to separate chunks from paint. So you need to remove the screen out first. This one's in this area here. Then you take your bottom that sucks from the paint can, and we're going to install a suction line. Here we taped it up so it fit the suction line correctly. You slide it on, you put the hose clamp to it and tighten it down. Then you go to your 5-gallon can. This is our single component NSF Hyperflex, already pre-catalyzed. It takes 2% moisture to react it to do crack injection or stop water coming through in the area. The cap that comes with the Hyperflex is a cap that if you cut the back side out, you'll have a hole through the cap like this. Anytime you're doing injection of polyurethane, grease is your friend. So you should grease the stem, grease the cap, so when you screw it on the can, you can get it back off. This is a barrel valve with a 3/4 inch pipe fitting, shut-off valve, 3/4 inch pipe fitting. That will screw right into the 5-gallon cap. You'll lay the 5-gallon down. Open up the breather cap. Grease this very well. Then you can hook up your suction line to it. Then turn on your valve. On the discharge side, you want to make assembly like this with a 4-way, an outlet, a breather tube, and a gauge. All these airless paint sprayers put out roughly 3,000 PSI, so you want a 3,000 PSI gauge. Your pump's going to come with a hose and a spray gun and an oil system. You can use that hose, it's rated for 3,000 PSI. Then you want to take your hose and attach it to the discharge side of the pump. On the injections end, you want a high pressure shutoff valve, a nipple, and a female grease gun zert. This is a 5/8 packer. So once you drill the hole, you insert the packer, you tighten it down, you connect it to the end of your grease gun, and you turn on and you can start injecting. Before you can do an injection, you can use a container to catch the overflow. When you plug in your pump, you turn it on, you bleed the line, make sure there's no air bubbles in here, and the whole system is then charged. You can take your hose and also bleed it to make sure you have material coming out of it. At the end of the day, you want to grease it where the piston connects to the motor so it doesn't hang up overnight. At the end of the night, for the next day reusage, you want to tilt up your can, make sure you keep material in there, there's no air bubbles in the suction line. Shut off your valve, and make sure your valve shut off on that end, and you're completed and ready to go. Thank you.